So Bracer Forge is an extension of Pacer Forge that all the airmen receive in basic training. It just covers a lot of the expeditionary skills that will support ACE concepts in the future. This morning we started off with a little bit of medical care under fire stuff. We did tourniquets, we did our buddy drags, getting our airmen teammates out of danger. We moved on to litter carries. Then we did some individual tactical movements, low crawl, high crawl, rush. Then we did some team movements where they moved as fire teams to get to their objectives. And then we finished off with a shoot, move, communicate exercise. Airmen were going from cover to cover, working as a team and communicating to avoid Op 4. We did all that training in the morning, and then we took all of that medical and tactical skills training that we did, and we rolled it all into a ball, and we had the airmen come out to the airfield and move to a downed aircraft where they secured it, assessed the aircrew for any injuries, and then they exfilled via a 9-line. And that just kind of rolled all of those skills that we practiced this morning into one.
Yeah, try, get some!
Every mechanic may be a rifleman at some point. Everyone needs to practice those core skills, such as putting a tourniquet on and moving as a team in order for us to succeed in the future with the GPC.